Okay, so whether your account is hacked or you are having issues of TikTok login problems, this is how to recover your TikTok.
You're welcome to Design Slider Tech.
Although I don't recommend going through the app, but you can try it, it may work for you. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. At the top, click on the 3-line menu, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to enter Report a Problem. Here, under Facing a Problem, when you see Account Recovery, looks like what we need, but don't click on Account Recovery. Instead, go down to expand the section for Report. And under Report, again, you will see Report a Problem. Here, you will see Online Reporting Form is a clickable text. Click on it, and it takes you to this point. Like I said before, I don't recommend going through the app. This is the best option I will advise you do. Go through your browser, any browser works. And on my browser, I can see incognito button. And if you cannot find incognito button easily, go to the 3-dot menu and select New Incognito tab. In your search engine, while I am using Google in this case, search for report to support.tiktok. Be careful here. Do not enter the one that says tiktok.com. Scroll to report a problem under support.tiktok.com. Click on that. Here, under Report a Problem, go down to look for Online Reporting Form. It's a clickable text. Click on it. Now we are back to the same point like it was from the app. Click on the topic and select Account Access/Security. Under Category, select Login Issues and Account Recovery. Or you may select Hacked Account if your problem is your account is hacked. But in this case, I will click on Login Issues and Account Recovery. Put in your username and account information. For the sign-up date, you may not be specific about the month, but you should be able to remember the year you started using this account. And if you cannot remember the month or you don't know the year, try to put a year that you know it is likely possible. Put in your region. Then for the email, I'm sure there is an email you use for that TikTok or maybe a phone number you use for it. Put in that email or the phone number, even if you cannot access them anymore. I think you should be able to remember the last phone or the device you used last for that TikTok account. Insert yours here. The linked account can be very helpful. If you know your Instagram or your Facebook that you added to your TikTok, input them here. If you cannot remember, you may skip this one. For the contact email, this should be the email you can access. It doesn't have to be the email in your TikTok account. Any email to allow TikTok to respond to you is what you can put here. For the additional details, you can copy this and edit it to your situation. If you want to use my additional details here, I have put it in the description of this video. You can copy it and edit it to perfect your situation. Attachment says optional, but I advise you upload this. It will help TikTok to know that you are truly the owner of this account. Include screenshots of your profile if you have it, or any relevant file that can help TikTok to believe you are the owner of this account. And you can try to upload more than one file if possible. Check the 2 boxes for declaration and submit. Now you need to prove that you are a human being and not a robot doing this. Now you have submitted the request to recover your TikTok account. Be expecting TikTok to reply you or respond to you through the contact email you put in this request. When the request is approved, you will get the email and it will show you the necessary steps to recover your TikTok account. Good luck to you. And if you want to see how to recover a Facebook account, how to recover Instagram account, and how to recover a Gmail account, watch these videos. Would you like to subscribe here so I can see you in my next one?